Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a collaborator to your diagram project on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So as we'd like to invite a coworker of yours or a contact to work with you on your charts or in diagram on Lucidchart, this is how you can do it. Navigate to your document on or diagram on Lucidchart and next click into these three lines at the top. And from that menu guys, what you want to do is navigate or hover your mouse over share here. Select add collaborator, and after that you will be redirected to the same invite or share window like here in the top right corner where you click into this button. So it works the same way guys, like inviting users to that documents. Enter the username here, for example, or the email address. Just a reminder, if you'd like to invite someone as a collaborator, most likely you will want to grant the given collaborator access to the document and permit him or her to make also changes and edits. So select either edit and share or edit, not only comment or view. And after that, you may do the same, for example, for a shareable link. If you don't want to invite the given collaborator via email, simply enable the shareable link, copy it to your clipboard, and again, make sure that to assign the same permission here for editing. And that's it, guys. After that, you will see the list of collaborators here under Manage. By clicking into this button, you see myself, for example, here because I'm the project owner, but you will see also all invited collaborators to work with you on the given project. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.